Hey, it's Kip here. Thanks for joining me today. This is kind of a unique video. Not really unique, but just it's amazing. I just want to get right into it. It's just amazing what you find in the junk. I'm telling you what, guys. I live in an area where there's a lot of cabins, a lot of lakes, and this is Memorial Weekend, so I'm not quite sure when you'll see this video, but I do a lot of traveling in my job, and throughout I'm always, you know, running the roads or whatever, and I happen to be going down the road and seen a black Weber kettle in the junk. It's a full-size unit, as you'll see here shortly. Actually, you'll probably see it in the beginning of the intro of the video, but the legs weren't in it. It was just sitting there with a kettle. I'm like, I'll make a, you know, a deluxe model out of it. I'll make something up anyways. And I pulls over, backs up, runs over, and the legs and everything, and the wheels and everything were just sitting there. It's quite amazing what people. I opened it up. It's basically like brand new, like they used it once or twice and it sat for years. So I'm like, that went right in the truck. And today we're doing my first cook on it. I've owned Webers before. This is my first one I've had in a long time. I mean, it's been several years since I've had a Weber grill. And I had a couple of them years ago. That's basically where I started on. But they wore out, rusted out. Actually, one flew out of the truck one day and bent all up. So I gave up on it. But anyways, guys, we're going to be cooking some barbecue thighs today on the old Weber. And it's a full-size Weber. If you see in the beginning of this video, it's in pretty good shape. It's like basically like new, if you ask me. Nothing fancy about it. I got some briquettes offset to one side, and we got her going right now. So let's get the chicken seasoned up and get it on there. Today we'll be cooking with some bone in, skin on thighs, one of my favorites. And I'm going to season them up with some general universal poultry mix. And then towards the end, probably 40-45 minutes, I'll put a little barbecue sauce on them. And get a little glaze on there. I mean, I like it a little charred a little bit, so I'm going to go direct and indirect, kind of back and forth until they're done to my liking. So let's get them seasoned up and let's get barbecuing. All right, guys, I got my chicken thighs with the bone in. These are already cleaned up. I like to peel the skin back on one half so I can season the meat, and I keep the skin right on them. We're going to season them up with just a universal rub, and we're going to get them on the Weber. Get them seared up really good, and I got the briquettes on one side, as you'll see shortly. And let's get these seasoned up. This is just a good mix, kind of your poultry bird mix that I like to use. Use whatever you want to use. You can use salt and pepper, garlic, whatever you got. Keep it simple, and I might even sauce these up at the end. Most likely I'll put a little barbecue sauce on them. That's what we're trying to make today. There's some barbecue thighs on the old free Weber. That's right, like at the beginning of the video here, I found this Weber on the side of the road. And I had one years ago. I've had several of them years ago. But it's been, 4 or 5 years since I've actually owned a Weber. And I was just about ready to go buy one, just to use as a universal barbecue pit, you know. And I found this one on the side of the road. Everything was there. Just quite amazing what people will throw out these days. A lot of people, I live in an area where there's a lot of cabins and stuff, so I believe a lot of people they buy stuff, use it once, and just leave stuff sit around. So when they come up to clean up their cabins, like at this time of year, they just put stuff up to the curb, and I just happen to be at the right place at the right time. Yeah, this is just a universal bird rub, poultry rub. I mean, you can use whatever you want. It's got a little paprika in it, some good garlic and stuff like that. Nothing real special, guys. And let's get these seasoned up, and we'll get them on the old Weber. Looking good, guys, looking good. So let's get it on the old Weber and get them cooking. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She's good and hot. I'm just going to put these off to the side for right now. I might play with it a little bit later, move them around a little bit, and we'll get a good sear on these in a little bit here. Right now I'm going to go indirect, and just let them take their time and bring up the temp, and then we'll move them back over top of the briquettes here shortly. So let's get these cooking, man. They're going to be good. Yeah. All right. Man, I miss having a Weber. Yeah, let's back that off just a little bit. Just want to take a closer look at this. It's amazing what people throw away now. I did wipe it down, as you see in the intro into this video. I mean, it's got a loose handle on it. This actually had tape on it, but I think it's just loose. I just got a Phillips screw in here. But man, it's in great shape. Oh yeah, those chicken thighs are looking good. They've only been on for a few minutes now, but I just wanted to walk you through. I mean, look at this. This kettle was in perfect condition. Man, it's looking good. A little bit of elbow grease, cleaned it up a little bit. The bottom ash pan tray, there's a little bent up, but who cares, right? It works. Man, I'm stoked about it. Let's get these thighs all cooked up and get them on a plate, man. I just wanted to show you guys this kettle is like brand spanking new. It's amazing what people throw away these days. I'm really happy. I was just about ready to buy one of these too. So, all right, let's get cooking, guys. Oh yeah. Let's get them over here for a little bit. Get them seared up really good, and I'll pull them back on the other side. Yeah. Oh yeah. Come back in about 10 minutes and we'll flip them back. Oh yeah. Man, these are smelling good. Pull that off a little bit there. Yeah. Just putting a little char in them, then I'll pull them back on the indirect side. Alright, it's been about 50 minutes or so roughly. Let's do a temp check on some of these here just to see where we're at. Man. A little bit shy yet, guys, but another 10-15 minutes we'll be ready to go here. We're all running about 155, 157. We got a little bit further to go. So we'll return. Man, I miss having a Weber. I'm glad I found this one in the junk. Man. Look at those chicken thighs. Man, they are smelling delicious. They are temped out. I moved them over a little bit to char them up just a little bit more. Let's get these off and cut one open. Man, these are looking good. Wow. Check them out. Wow. Let's cut a piece off. Look at that. Oh man, I'm telling you what, guys, I miss having the old Weber cooker, and I don't know what more to say, but man, these chicken thighs come out good. Wow, man. Let's finish out this video, guys. These are fabulous. Man, I'll tell you what, I miss having a Weber. This thing is phenomenal. Works great. The chicken come out fabulous. I mean, what more can you say? It's pretty simple. Keep it easy. Makes a good barbecue. Chicken, you can't beat it. Especially thighs are one of my favorite. And I just appreciate you guys tuning in today. If you're not a subscriber of mine, please like, share, subscribe my videos. A lot more barbecue videos coming your way. But it's just, I just want to recap a little bit. It's amazing what people throw away. My other grill that I use for high heat with my grill grates in it, that's just an old gas grill that I converted back and forth back into a briquette grill. So anyways, guys, you don't need much to cook or to barbecue with. You can use stuff out of the junk, whatever, make it work. Cook yourself some meat, put a little sauce, a little bit of rub on it. It's all gonna be good. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. All that good stuff. More barbecue videos coming up. And the kettle corn popper is on its way. The sifting cooling table is almost done. I'll probably post a couple pictures up on Instagram shortly here on that. So anyways, guys, as always, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. That's right, I'm gonna go make me a plate. I'm getting hungry.